Okay, so I'll just park this thing and go outside. Yes, I've crushed this thing a few times, so that's why we have fenders. Yep, doors I've damaged, and I'll just shut this off completely. The doors are damaged as well, so this is a work in progress. Now you see the boost gauge over here. It is a 5-speed manual transmission, turbo diesel. So that's why we got this over here, which is the basic one. I did install traction control, stability control, because when I just got the truck, it's rear-wheel drive, and I've crashed multiple times because I was too accelerator happy. So it's not gonna open up. We're just gonna go in here. So there you go, there's my engine. Right there. Now, I am working on this thing still, because the next level is going to be a commercial vehicle. I need commercial license. I got a trailer hitch, so I'm planning on getting a trailer which is 10,000 right now, and what I have, actually, might as well take this load. So right now what I have is 1.4K, level 2 labor. I did some police chases, so I couldn't get away from the cops. I did stop a criminal, but I couldn't run away from the cop. So there we go. I do have a steering wheel, I do have a shifter. If you look over here, there's the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't have 6